cracked me on the back. I was so shocked. I peed my pants. And everybody in the class knew it, because they saw it. And I was embarrassed to death. But there wasn't anything to do about it. The teacher, I wasn't expecting her to hit me
For what?
in the back.
Why she hit you?
Because I was writing something I shouldn't have been writing, I guess.
She got the
And
answer
it was
wrong.
or something.
Ah.
And she gave me a crack in my back. I was so shocked. I wet my pants in front of the whole class. I was embarrassed to death.
Jake, if teachers still hit kids, you'd get a good crack every day.
Good crackings.
I
Yeah.
never get one.
Just put your hands with the ruler and hit your
The
hand.
nuns used to take their finger and go down, when you're sitting, you go down, and if you didn't know the answer, they take their index finger and push on the top of your head. Boom, 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 boom. And say, you're not thinking, you're not thinking.
Yeah.
And just boom, boom, boom,
Did you go
boom,
to
boom.
Catholic
with it.
school?